we got these truck or SUV emergency light strip, and I'm telling you what, these things are so legit. First of all, super easy to install, super easy to have power to it. You just plug it up to your power outlet in your truck or your SUV. But the adhesive on this is what I was impressed about. I thought it was going to be some cheap adhesive, but man, this sucker are so strong. They aren't going anywhere. I love that there are 5 different light settings, like 5 different flash patterns, so then that way, depending on whatever your need is, you can make sure that your lights are nice and bright and flickering, so that way people know that you are coming. But man, what a great thing to put on your emergency vehicle, so then that way, when it is time for you to get to your job or get to the situation, you can easily do it with the press of the button on the power outlet in your truck. You can change those settings. Super bright, super bright. So if you are in need of a great LED light for your emergency vehicle, this is the kit that I would definitely recommend. Get it today.